So today I want us to talk about the silverback. I think the only way we can understand this is to give age brackets until the age when the gorilla becomes a silverback. So silverback, like any other gorilla, are born, and from 0 years to 3 years, we categorize them under infants. Those are babies, almost helpless. Much of their life depends on their mothers and maybe the silverback itself, their father. So these are at the age of, by the time they get 3 years, they are a bit playful. Those are the infants. Then from 3.5 years to 6 years, these are considered juveniles, or we categorize them as juveniles. These are very playful, and normally when we get visitors coming to visit gorillas, they like seeing these ones. So a family with juveniles or infants is one of the best families to visit. Then from 6 years to 8 years, these are considered sub-adults. That's another category. Those are sub-adults, also very playful and a little bit reserved. Then from 8 years to 12 years, a male gorilla is considered a blackback, or categorized as a blackback. Very playful, but also a bit reserved, because at that time they are almost grown up or very close to the silverback. So they are considered blackbacks because their backs are still black. All their body or fur on their body is black.